And we're back to learning CapCut in here, day 89. Let me show you how you can create a glow blink effect. We'll edit the default text and let me change the size a little bit. We'll call it glow and I size it up. Then scroll down until you can find the glow. I'm going to use the free version, but the principle also works on the pro version. Set the intensity and range. It's just a question of taste. I go to a mid value for both. Then I go to the start of your text element and add right here your first keyframe using the diamond icon. I'll make that red. And then watch the turquoise number. I use the arrow keys to the right to go up 10 steps and then I change the color. And this creates a new keyframe automatically with this new color. And I'll now go over the entire element, always 10 steps with the right arrow key to go 10 frames forward. Then I change the color, which creates a new keyframe automatically. And once I've got the entire element covered, you can see the color now rotates. That's actually a gradual color change. And the same principle can be used only on two colors to create this blinking effect. Then we add a new default text and I only cycle between white and red. Once again, I'm going to use 10 steps or 10 frames forward. You can make this blink faster if you use less steps in between these color changes. And you can make it slower by adding more frames, but 10 is usually fine. Let me play it. And here you can see it's more like a blinking effect. And this is how you can create this glow blink effect in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.